Hello lovely audience, welcome to my channel Edu-cet. For those who are watching me for the first time, let me introduce myself. I am neither a Khan nor a terrorist, I am Pragya Priyadarshini. So today's video is all about scientist vacancy at CSIR-NML Jamshedpur, which means there's a good news for M.Sc, M.tech and Phd holders. But before that, make sure to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon. You can also watch my previous videos down below. So without any further delay, let's just start the video. This is the recruitment advertisement of CSIR Lab NML Jamshedpur. There are a total of 18 posts. Reservation included, there are 10 unreserved, 3 OBC, 3 SC, 1 ST and 1 EWS category. The designations are scientist, senior scientist, principal scientist. The upper age limit for that is 32 years, 37 and 45 years. Salary will vary from 90,000 to 1,63,000. For senior scientist and principal scientist, 2 years of experience in that relevant area is required. For principal scientist, 3 years of postdoctoral research experience is required. For educational qualifications, there are a total of 10 postcodes in which you can apply. For each postcode, there is different qualification and different desirable qualification, and the job description is also given aside. What I'll do is I'll upload this advertisement in my description box. You can download it from there, read it carefully and see if you can apply. The application procedure is very simple. What you have to do is just visit the online official website of CSIR-NML, which is www.nmlindia.org. There, you have to submit your application with all the educational qualification related certificates, mark sheets, experience certificates, and documentary proof in support of your date of birth, community, caste certificate if you are under reserved category. The applicable fee will be a sum of ₹100, which is very optimum. You have to submit it in the form of demand draft favoring the director of NML at State Bank of India, and each and every notification branch etc. is given. You can read it from the advertisement itself. In the application procedure, 3 things must be very carefully mentioned. First is candidate's name, application number and the post for which you are applying. Now, while filling the demand draft, what you need to do is write your name, application number and the post code for which you have applied on the back side of the demand draft. This is very important. Last date for application is 28th of June 2021. So before that, you can apply. This is a golden opportunity for the students who are PhD holders, and in this pandemic, this is a very good opportunity for you. Just grab it up as soon as possible. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.